Are you a coffee lover? If yes, stay tuned. Turkish coffee may be the new joy to those who love a strong, rich brew. It is made with a unique method which leads to a robust taste. Turkish coffee is a method of coffee preparation that originated in Middle Eastern and European countries. It's made by combining finely ground coffee beans with water and sugar. Turkish coffee is traditionally brewed in a small pot called a CZ. It can be served unsweetened but is usually prepared with moderate amounts of sugar. Since Turkish coffee is stronger than many other coffee types, it can offer a number of health benefits. Here are 5 reasons for trying Turkish coffee. 1. Contains essential compounds. Turkish coffee, if unfiltered, contains more beneficial bioactive compounds. Coffee beans contain valuable substances, such as chlorogenic acids, which are good antioxidants. For example, chlorogenic acids may lower inflammation, blood sugar, cholesterol, and blood pressure. Research found that coffee from finely ground coffee beans contained more chlorogenic acids. Coffee also contains other powerful compounds, including diterpenoids, which can reduce inflammation, combat infection, and promote heart health. 2. Boosts mental performance. Caffeine is a well-studied, natural stimulant that can boost athletic and mental performance. Turkish coffee provides a highly concentrated dose of caffeine that may be particularly beneficial to athletes. A study in 20 athletes found that participants who consumed caffeinated Turkish coffee experienced significant performance benefits, including reaction time and energy levels, compared to those who drank decaffeinated Turkish coffee. 3. May protect against diabetes and heart disease. Drinking coffee can contribute to reducing your risk of certain conditions such as diabetes and heart disease. A review of 18 studies found a 7% reduced risk of developing type 2 diabetes for every cup of coffee consumed per day. A further study found that the regular consumption of 3 to 5 cups of coffee per day is associated with a 15% decrease in the risk of heart disease. 4. Can protect the liver. The liver plays an important role in our body. It controls the balance of hormones such as cortisol, thyroid, and other adrenal hormones. Hepatitis causes hormonal imbalances with chronic diseases of the liver such as the liver fatty. Studies indicate a low risk of liver dysfunction in regular coffee drinkers. 5. Cardamom can bring additional benefits. Turkish coffee is often prepared with cardamom, a delicious spice that has a number of health benefits. Cardamom contains powerful antioxidants, for example, which can help lower your risk of chronic conditions and reduce inflammation. One study in rats showed that cardamom extract effective inhibition of inflammatory compounds. Rich and highly caffeinated, Turkish coffee is enjoyed in many countries worldwide. It is unfiltered, so it has a higher caffeine concentration and other beneficial compounds that can provide several health benefits. However, people sensitive to caffeine may want to avoid this particularly strong coffee type. The best part for coffee lovers is to make Turkish coffee in the comfort of your own kitchen. Do you agree with our list? Join the discussion and let us know in the comments what you think. If you like help putting these cool ideas to work in your fitness journey, get in touch via the link below. We'd love to help you.